Hey there, it's Hechanova. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I have been inactive for like 2 months already, but now I am back with a haul for you guys because you know what? I'm safe from the virus, but I am not safe from online shopping. Kayo din, di ba? Kayo din. Alam ko hindi lang ako eh. Kayo din. And without further ado, let's hop into the video. In this haul, puro dresses yung ipapakita ko and most of them are colored and some of them are white dresses lang kasi of course they're a staple in our closet. This is the Amari dress if I'm not mistaken. I bought this on Shopee for like 350. Ay, baliktad. I know the one that I got isn't very like summer vibes na color. This one is brown. Dark brown or something like mocha. So this is really cute for any occasion, like mapa-formal man or casual. You can wear this like anywhere talaga. When I got this on yesstyle, but I know super popular din to sa Shopee and it costs around 300 something lang. But on yesstyle, this one costs for around 1,300 something. I don't know, I forgot. But the only problem with this is ang laki niya sa shoulder part ko. The next one would be another white dress because most of my color dress are here. This dress could also be a staple in your closet. I don't know, pero ang pangit na register niya sa camera, pero super very nice nito sa personal. It has a lace design and I don't know, pero parang puff pa rin. The only problem I have with this dress is that the chest area and the waist part is a bit tight on me. I already got this one in medium, pero yung sizing niya pang small. Anyways, I bought it on yesstyle. This is the like, definition talaga of summer vibe kind of dress. Like yung color niya and everything. But I don't know how to wear this dress because it's a symmetrical dress. Ayan, it looks like that. Like parang Greek goddess yung peg niya and I love the color. Super summer vibes talaga siya. I don't know if I can show this to you like a try on. I don't know how to tie this one. I think I finally know how to wear this dress. This is the complicated dress ever. But summer is canceled, so yeah. God, I love this dress. But the only problem is that super see-through talaga yung bottom part niya. Like, I couldn't wear this outside. I don't even know if I could try this on for you guys. This dress is very perfect for beach. And yung detail niya sa likod, like parang backless din. And have to tie it like a ribbon. I think if I could get this tailored, like papagawa ko talaga ulit, I could definitely still wear this. Next one is another off-shoulder that I actually got from an online seller here in Iloilo. But I saw this one on Shopee. This one is very stretchable. Color isn't very like of a summer vibe again. Kasi like parang olive yung color niya. But I think meron ibang color sa Shopee kasi yung sa binilhan ko, one color lang. This one. Ewan ko talaga kung bakit pero puro puff sleeve talaga yung sa haul na to. And the next one, yun nga diba, sabi ko. But I bought this one on yesstyle. And this is just the staple white dress that you need in your closet. I forgot what size I got with this dress, but I think medium. Pero this can fit up to large kasi super stretchy niya. And I love like the boob detail here. Kasi it really emphasizes it. You can actually wear this on any occasion, but definitely on picnic dates. I forgot to tell you, this one is a bodycon dress. Like, very body-hugging talaga siya. I don't know if the camera could give justice with this dress, but this is another favorite of mine. I know it looks okay lang sa camera, but it's actually very nice and personal. It's another puff sleeve, you guys. Of course. And whenever I wore this, I imagine myself na nagpo-photoshoot with dried flowers, ganun yung peg niya. And also you can wear this like for bridesmaid. Who's gonna marry this year? I mean, I need to wear this one for weddings. This one, I got this on yesstyle, but I know, super popular din to sa Shopee and this definitely cost like $299 lang sa Shopee. The only problem I have with this, hindi kasya sa akin. Like, I'm planning to give it to someone else na lang kasi hindi talaga kasya sa akin. This is already medium, pero super small talaga ng sizing nito. So, I might just give this one to someone else. Thank you, yesstyle. That was the last one, so we will proceed. And the background dresses. I got this one with the olive dress I showed earlier. Guess what? I also found this on Shopee. You can also wear it as an off-shoulder, pero super cute niya if you do it like this, like an A-line dress, and it also has a slit. This is a crowd favorite talaga, like parating sold out, especially this color. I also bought this one in light brown, and I think I will show it to you on another haul lang. I have actually shown you this dress sa last Shopee haul ko, and this one is the yung mali yung sinend the dress sa akin. Like, this isn't the dress that I was expecting, or the dress that I really bought on Shopee. Like, mali talaga. But anyways, it's free because I was refunded. And it also looks cute. Like, may mga pearls siya. This dress is very like Rapunzel dress. Cute summer dress. I could wear this picnic dates or anywhere. Ayun nga, very hugging siya. Very bodycon. Very cute dress. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. And see you on my next one. Bye!